Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.